Alright guys, good evening. So I want to show you guys how to do the back panel of a kid's short. Now this is the front, and this front has been drafted. So the regular way we draft our short, getting your measurement, your crouch, Now the essence of this video is to show you the extension for the back, because the back panel of the back part of the short, we have elastic at the back and rope in front. So I haven't drafted the front. Now what I need to do here now is extend the back crotch area by 2 inches, and also extend the inseam leg at 2 inches as well, and then extend it all through to that very point, 2 inches. Now for the back waist, I will raise here by 3.5 this way, 3.5, and also raise here as well by 3.5, right? So now the back waistline, I will extend it by 2 inches this way. Then I will connect with my freehand sketch. So some people were asking me, what can they use for kids? So this is the answer: for children. So you can use this for children and it will work very well for you. So this is how you go about it, and then you will cut, making sure that every line marked is being connected correctly. Now also bear in mind that the front waistline was added extra 1.5 inch on the front, and the back has 2 inches. That's in total of 3 inches extra was added on the total waistline of this particular boy's trouser, right? So add 1.5 on the front and 2 inches at the back, making it to be 3.5 inch extra that I have added on the real waist measurement. Then I will cut. So cut all through the lines, cut all through the lines, all through that way. So you cut all through this way, making sure that the back panel is longer, right? Cut all through that way. So if you do like what you're seeing, try to like this video, comment and share. I will now make the video of sewing available for you guys to also see how the sewing will be done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And you're going to cut only the front band of the trouser. Remember that the back was extended by 3.5 inch. That extension serves for the band for the back. So the band of the front is what you are drafting now. So you're going to measure in this form, and then you mark a measurement that you know will be enough to cover your front waistline plus extra 4 inches or thereabout. They mark in this form, and then the width of the band is 4 inches, right? 4 inches. So you mark it all through this way, 4 inches that way, by the length of the 2 front panels plus extra 4 inches as well. So you connect this way, and then you also cut. Bear in mind that this is 2 layers, so the 2 of them is being cut out all through this way. It's being cut out through this way. So you cut all through that way. So this is for the front band. So I will show you the sewing as well.